Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Fatana.
My name is Hussein.
And my name is
And we were students from Madrasah Al-Maarif Al-Islamiyah. My group and I have decided to revamp our school website for our 2021 web design project as we wanted to contribute one last thing to our school before parting. The current school website has all the information needed for its users. However, the user experience and the layout of the website can be improved to create a more modern and credible website. By doing so, the users are able to use the website with ease as they are able to find what they need within seconds. For example, information primary program page are organized in such a way that it's quite difficult to read. We then reorganize the information by grouping the paragraphs and pictures together. The user can then look through the page effortlessly. Without further ado, let us start with our presentation.
Okay, Bismillah. So I'll be taking over from here. Firstly, before everything else, we had to study the current Maarif website to gauge what needed to be improved and to have a rough idea on how we wanted the new website to look like. So let's start off by looking at the current website. So having taken the first look at it, and assuming that most of the visitors of the website are parents or students wanting to be enrolled in the school, we decided that having a welcome to Madrasah Al-Maarif at the top would be more suitable. It would also establish a proper visual hierarchy. So everything else, such as the mission and vision, as well as the Maarif experience when you scroll down the website, should be placed below it. So the nav bar, on the other hand, contained too many sections and we decided to compress them into only 4. So now moving on to the sections under programs. Okay, so as we looked at the layout of the information, we felt that it would be better if the pictures and the bullet points were separated. We also noticed that the words were slightly illegible due to the intricate design of the background. The rest of the program section had similar layouts which we felt needed to be altered. So moving on to VME 2.0 under news and events, which is basically a virtual event that Maarif had last year. It was a little confusing trying to navigate through the page, and I would imagine parents would have an even harder time trying to understand what needed to be done to find out more info. So now as I speak, Fatana will be going through the other pages of the current website. So after identifying most of the major concerns of the website, we laid out 2 main goals, which are the user action goals and the styling goals. The user action goals is to introduce Maarif and why Maarif should be the school of choice for parents to enroll their children in, and as well as to encourage people to donate. As for the styling goals, we aim to display an elegant, clean and modern look to give parents a good first impression and to display a simple web design to make it easy to navigate through the website. Then, we decided to move on to the next stage, which was creating the new version of the website.
Now, we will be taking a tour through our version of the website. As Husna mentioned earlier, welcome to Maarif section would be better suited to be placed on the top. And we even included some animation just to wow the users a little bit. Right now, right below the welcome to Maarif, we have the why choose us section to hopefully make Maarif every parent's first choice. Then we have the latest updates section where we update the parents on what has been going on lately, and the contact us section below on the homepage. Instead of having separate pages for it to instead of having a separate page for it to reduce the number of pages. We also have the donate now button at the top of each page so that the parents can donate whenever they want to. And then in the current website, the About Us page has 3 sections under it. so we combined them into one page. Starting with the About Madrasah Al-Maarif, followed by our values, the Maarif Triple I experience, and lastly, to conclude, the Principal's Message section. We also have separate pages for the programs, for which were curated for each of the three levels, primary, secondary, and pre-university, with a gallery at the bottom. In the previous website, the photos were placed in a disorderly manner, so we've arranged it and put a gallery at the bottom and all the information at the top. For admissions, we decided to for admissions we decided to follow the current website's layout for the first page and then proceed to bring them to the section of their choice with just a few clicks. We also removed the calendar section that was in the previous website and put all major events under our news and events section, including the PME 2.0 and the 80th anniversary event. On the VME 2.0 page, we have arranged all the different parts of the event for parents to be able to navigate through it easily. And there we have it, the all new and revamped Maarif website.